Hello guys, I hope all you're fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn this soft brown eye makeup look, and for this I'm using Swiss Beauty All Time Eyeshadow palette, and first I'm using this transition color. Now I'm using this color. This is a bit darker. This is a middle tone brown color. I have used this color 4 to 5 times for this result. And now I'm blending with this big fluffy blending brush. I am using again that brown color. Now I'm using Swiss Beauty Velvet Eyeshadow palette, and from this I will choose this champagne color. Guys, this look is very pretty, and in person if you will see, this is more prettier than it's looking in the video. You can wear this in your office, in any kind of party. And this look is also beginner friendly, so you can create in easy steps. And now I'm using this pen eyeliner. I guess I ordered this from Amazon, and I will give this link in my description box so you can check. For beginners, I suggest always use this pen eyeliner, this or any pen eyeliner, but do not use liquid eyeliner because they will create real mess, guys, and I mean it, real mess. So always use pen eyeliner if you are beginner. By the way, this eyeliner is very affordable. I think I bought this 3 pen eyeliner, I guess, in 300 rupees. So do check. I will give this link in my description box. But guys, this pen eyeliner is not at all waterproof, so keep that in mind if you want a waterproof eyeliner, pen eyeliner. So do check my other link. I will give that link also. Creating a pointed eyeliner look. If you can create, then it's fine. If you don't want to create and if you don't have time, then leave it as it is. You can create this look with normal eyeliner look also. Now I'm doing my lower lash line area, and I will blend this dark brown color with the black Kohl which I just used. After this, I will apply my eyelashes. If you don't want to apply eyelashes, then you can go with only mascara. But I am applying eyelashes because I want to. So with that, our look is complete, guys. And I hope you all like my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe my channel like this video and other videos also, and support me guys, because I need you all. Thank you so much.